Hello dear students, I Bhanu Tiwari welcome you in today's video. So today we are going to start exercise 7.2 which is based on section formula of coordinate geometry. So before that please do like and share the video and press the bell icon and let us start our exercise now. So what is our exercise? We are starting 7.2. For that we have to study section formula. So what is section formula? Section formula, you are studying in different sections, so we are studying in a line. Okay, so one line we are doing, we have to divide this line in different section. We can divide it in 2 section also, we can divide in 3 section also, we can divide it in 4 section also. Okay, that is up to you. So if we are dividing this in 2 sections, so that means we have to just take a point in between. So let me say this point is A, this point is B, and let me say this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And this point, let me take P point is dividing this line into 2 portion of any ratio. That means let me say this is m1 ratio m2. So this line is divided by P in any of the ratio. Somewhere it is written m ratio n. Okay, both are same. Either you can write m1 ratio m2, either you can write m ratio n. Okay, so we have to find the coordinate of this point P. So let the coordinate of this point P is. So directly I am telling you here what are the coordinate, how you will find the coordinate of this point. So x coordinate can be found as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, ये 2 के साथ 1, 1 के साथ 2. Okay, divided by m1 plus m2. So this is your x coordinate. Same way y coordinate, if you want to find of any point P which divides the line into any ratio, so that means this is m1 y2. Y coordinate means y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So these are the two coordinate x, y of point P which divide the line segment in given ratio. Okay, so sometimes this is the one thing you have to do, learn this formula by heart. Okay, ये formula आपको by heart learn करना है. The second thing is, if you have to find, see the line segment will be given to you A, B and any point P is given to you. So you are given this coordinate also. इसके coordinate भी दिए हैं. This coordinate x1 y1, this coordinate x2 y2 is given to you. You have to find in which ratio the line is divided. तो वहां पर हम क्या assume करेंगे कि whenever it is asked in which ratio, ठीक है, which ratio, तो हम कहेंगे let the line is divided in k ratio 1. ठीक है, तो हमेशा हम यहाँ से assume करेंगे the line is divided in k ratio 1. So this type of question we will start like this. ठीक है, when we will be doing, so you will find these questions are very easy, but keep in mind whenever we have to find the ratio, you only assume that the line is divided in k ratio 1. दूसरी चीज, whenever we are asking the line is given to you, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 और any point P is the midpoint. ठीक है, ये है midpoint इसका. तो midpoint के अगर हमने रेशियो निकालने हैं, the coordinates we have to find, ठीक है, x and y. So how we find the coordinate of midpoint? Simple है कि midpoint होगा तो उसको 1 ratio 1 में divide करेगा. ठीक है, so what will be the x point? X coordinate is equals to, see here, m1 x2. m1 means 1. 1 into x2 plus m2 x1 1 ratio में into x1 upon m1 plus m2 1 plus 1. That means x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, same way we want to find y coordinate. Y coordinate is m1 y2 1 into y2. That means y2 plus m2 y1. So m2 is 1 into y1. That means y1 upon m1 plus m2 1 plus 1 2. That means y1 plus y2 upon 2. तो हमेशा whenever the midpoint is given to you, their coordinates are x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So keep in mind any time whenever you are given the midpoint, तो सीधे सीधे उसके coordinate how you will find कि दोनों का mean, x coordinate का mean x होगा and y coordinate का mean y coordinate of this point. It is clear? So these three things you have to keep in mind. Very first, the formula, section formula. This is known as section formula. We have to find the coordinate of any point which divide the line into two given ratio. अब ये ratio कुछ भी हो सकता है, 2:1 में भी डिवाइड हो सकता है, 1:2 में भी डिवाइड हो सकता है, 3:4 में भी डिवाइड हो सकता है. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus x2. तो x है तो इसमें x आएगा, तो m1 के साथ 2 आएगा, फिर m2 आएगा. सेम में y है तो ये y कोऑर्डिनेट आएंगी. सो m1 और m2 पहले आएंगे, m1 के साथ y2 plus m2 y1. ओके, so these are the three things which you have to learn properly. So now quickly let us start exercise 7.2. Only these things are required, so let us start. Okay, so the first question of exercise 7.2 is find the coordinates of a point P which divide the line join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 into ratio 3. So that means one point is given to you P. It divides the line segment into 2:3. So let me say this point is A and this point is B. So we have to find the coordinate of point P. Okay, so this is clear. This point P divides the line segment in 2:3. इसका मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है और यहाँ से यहाँ तक 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है. What does it means? इसका मतलब m1 क्या दिया है आपको 2 and m2 क्या दिया है आपको 3. What is x1? x1 is equals to -1 and what is y1? y1 is equals to 7. x2 4 and y2 is -3. Okay, so therefore using section formula. ठीक है, section formula. तो let the coordinate of P is x, y. So what is x coordinate? So x coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So what is m1? m1 is 2 into x2. x2 is -3 plus m2. m2 is 3 into x1. x1 is -1 upon m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3 5. Okay. So what does it mean? 3 to the 6. -6 -3 upon 5. -9 upon 5. So x coordinate is -9 upon 5. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is clear. What is x coordinate? m1 x2. So m1 x2 is 4. Sorry, very sorry. x2 is 4. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is -1 divided by m1 plus f2. 4 2s are 8. So this is 8 minus 3, 5. So this coordinate is 1. Okay. So now same way m1 by 2. What is m1 by 2? m1 is 2, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 3, y1 is 7 divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. So what does it mean? Solve it. -6 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 5, which shows इसमें से 6 माइनस किया तो that means 15. Okay, 15 upon 5 which is 3. So therefore x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. So what is the coordinate? 1, 3. Okay, so this is your first question. Let us start our second question now. So let us start. Second question is find the coordinates of a points of trisection of line segment. Very first you draw the line segment 4, -1 and -2, -3. You have to find the coordinates of trisection. Trisection means the line segment is divided into 3 parts. 3 section हो जाते हैं, तो we have to just put 2 lines in 2 points in between. यही होगा. So that means the line is divided into 3 parts. Trisection, 3 section हो जा रहे हैं इसमें. ठीक है. So that means let me say this point is A, B, P, Q. Okay. So we have to find the coordinate of this. पहले तो हम इसके P के coordinates निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है. 1 by 1 we can find. So what is x1 given to you? x1 is this, y1 is this. x2 is this, y2 is this. ठीक है, so these are two things. So now using section formula, तो ये किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो. सो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने पार्ट हैं, देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक अगर हम 1 पार्ट कहते हैं, सो फिर यहाँ से बिकॉज दिस पॉइंट P, तो यहाँ से पूरा फाइनली यहाँ तक कितने पार्ट है, 1 and 1 2 पार्ट. ठीक है, सो ये कितने P पॉइंट इस पूरी लाइन को 1:2 में डिवाइड कर रहा है बिकॉज इट इज 3 पार्ट. दिस इज क्लियर. सो हम क्या करेंगे, m1 हो जाएगा 1 and m2 हो जाएगा अभी 2 फॉर द पॉइंट P. सो वी आर राइटिंग फॉर पॉइंट P, what is x coordinate? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? 1 into x2 minus 2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. So minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, that means 2. So the first coordinate is 2, x coordinate. Then we have to find the y coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So what is m1? 1 into y2. y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 2 into y1. y1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2. So 1 plus 2, which shows minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. That means minus 5 upon 3. So the first coordinate is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. So therefore coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. So let us find now the coordinates of Q. So now same way we can find the coordinate of Q. Now the coordinates of Q, how we can find? Now we can assume that the coordinate of Q are x comma y. So very first the same thing, in which ratio the line is divided. See, from here to point Q, this part is divided into 2 ratio, okay, 2 parts, and from here to here it is 1 part. Because it is trisection, you can easily see 2 parts are here, 1 part is here. So the Q is dividing the line into 2:1. So here for point Q, what is m1? 2, and what is m2? 1. Same way we can find the x coordinate, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? 2 into x2 minus 3. Okay, x1 x2 end points होते हैं, okay, plus m2 1, x1 4 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 3. That means minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, minus 2 upon 2, that means minus 1. तो x coordinate हमारा आ गया minus 1. ठीक है. And now y coordinate. Y coordinate is equals to m1 y2. बस only one formula, this you have to learn. Whole exercise you can do very easily. Plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 1 into y1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. So that means minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 7 upon 3. So that means you got the second coordinate m1 x2 2 into, again I did a mistake, x2 is minus 2. So minus, so this is minus 4. So the x coordinate is 0. Okay. So 0 upon 0 is 0. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus x2, the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is minus 7 upon 3. So this is your second part, means the trisection. We have to find the coordinates of 2 points. So these are the coordinates of 2 points. Okay. So let us start our next question. That means question number 3. So let us start our third question, and the question number 3 is, to conduct a sports day, there is a rectangular playground in a school A, B, C, D. So this is a rectangular playground in a school. Have a line drawn with chalk powder as a distance 1 meter each. तो 1 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे चॉक पाउडर से दे हैव ड्रॉन अ लाइन, ये भी 1 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे, ठीक है। सो 1 मीटर 1 मीटर 1 मीटर, द गैप द बिटवीन टू इज 1 मीटर। 100 flower pots has been placed at a distance 1 meter from along the side AD. AD side में 100 flower pots रखे हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 100 we cannot draw, so 100 flower pots are placed like this, okay। तो 1 मीटर की डिस्टेंस ये हो गई, so 1 मीटर 1 मीटर 1, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस AD की कितनी हो गई 100 मीटर, क्योंकि 100 फ्लावर पॉट्स हैं तो 100 मीटर डिस्टेंस हो गई A से D तक। इट इज क्लियर। From along A to D 100 flower pots are placed, so 100 flowers, the distance between two flower pots is 1 meter, so what is the distance between 100 flower pots 100 meter, ठीक है। So 100 flower pots has been placed at a distance 1 meter each along the side AD as shown in this figure. Niharika, one girl, runs 1/4 of distance AD. AD distance का 1/4 रन करती है, तो distance traveled by निहारिका कितनी हो जाएगी 1/4 of AD। AD डिस्टेंस कितनी है 100 मीटर, so 4 2 is 8, 2 is left, 4 5 is 20, so 25 मीटर की डिस्टेंस निहारिका ने यहाँ से ऊपर को रन करके ट्रेवल कर दी। ऑन द सेकेंड लाइन, ऑन द सेकेंड लाइन, तो निहारिका सेकेंड लाइन पर है, यहाँ से भागते भागते कहाँ तक पहुंची 25 मीटर, सो लेट अस से 25 मीटर इज हियर, क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली 25 मीटर तो नहीं है, तो दिस इज 25 मीटर, तो एक्स एक्सेस कितनी हो गई यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2 मीटर, कॉमा वाई एक्सेस में 25 मीटर तक पहुंच गई, तो द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ निहारिका इज 2,25, ठीक है। सो शी रन्स अलोंग द सेकेंड लाइन अलोंग AD एंड 1/4 of the distance of AD, okay। Preet runs 1/5 of the distance of AD, so Preet runs is equals to 1/5 of AD distance, AD कितनी है 100, तो 20 मीटर प्रीत ने रन किया, ठीक है। ऑन द 8th लाइन, 8th लाइन में तो 20 मीटर रन किया, मतलब इससे कम ही आई होगी, सो लेट मी से 1 2 3 4 5, यहाँ पर प्रीत ने 8th लाइन पे, ठीक है। सो दिस इज प्रीत रन्स, अब नाउ विच इज 8th रन, तो एक्स एक्सिस पे 8th लाइन हो गई और यहाँ से ऊपर को 20, ठीक है। सो 20 मीटर शी ट्रेवल, तो व्हाट आर द कोऑर्डिनेट 8, 20, वाई एक्सिस पे कितना ट्रेवल किया 20 मीटर। सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन, ओके, व्हाट इज दे आर सेइंग कि ग्रीन फ्लैग एंड red flag, she is having green flag and she has red flag, okay। So Niharika just put a green flag there and she put a red flag there. What is the distance between both the flags? तो इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस क्या है, ठीक है। तो आपको इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालनी है। The first thing, so first thing we have to find the distance between two flags. Distance between two flags means NP, distance between NP। तो what you will use distance formula, simple thing, NP के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालनी है, तो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला NP is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 का होल स्क्वायर। सो व्हाट इज x1 8 minus 2, x1 minus x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 20 minus 25 का होल स्क्वायर। बाय डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यू कैन राइट दिस, so what is distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, this is a square root, okay, this is distance formula। So now solve this, 4 का square 4 4 is 16, no sorry 8 में से 2 6, 6 square 6 6 is 36 plus minus 5 5 5 is 25 और minus का पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, so 11 का 1 कैरी ओवर 3 4 5 6, root of 61 meter, so the distance between these two is root 61 meter, okay। So we have to use the distance formula, so you have to keep in mind what is asked, we have to ask the distance between two। तो आप section formula कैसे use कर लोगे, section means तो divide करना होता है, okay। So we have asked this one, then secondly they are asked if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly half away between the line segment joining the two flags। अगर रश्मि को कोई फ्लैग पोस्ट करना है, ब्लू फ्लैग, और एग्जैक्टली हाफ अवे बिटवीन द टू फ्लैग्स, दो फ्लैग्स के बीच एग्जैक्टली हाफ में ब्लू फ्लैग पोस्ट करना है, ठीक है, रश्मि को आर. सो व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, वेयर शुड शी पोस्ट हर, तो वो उसे कहाँ पर पोस्ट करेगी, ठीक है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस. अब नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग कि शी हैव टू पुट द फ्लैग एग्जैक्टली हाफ अवे, इसका मतलब इसका मिड पॉइंट निकालना है. सो वी कैन राइट फॉर रश्मि, व्हाट इज एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट, मिड पॉइंट निकालना होता है. तो आई टोल्ड यू द फॉर्मूला इन द स्टार्टिंग, x1 प्लस x2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, और y कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना होता है तो y1 प्लस y2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. मीन निकाल देते हैं दोनों का, ठीक है. सो x1 2 प्लस 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, सो 2 प्लस 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, दैट मीन्स 10/2 5. x कोऑर्डिनेट 5 आ गया. एंड देन y कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है, तो 25 प्लस 20, so 25 plus 20 divided by 2, that means 5 45/2, और 45/2 means 22.5, ठीक है. so y कोऑर्डिनेट 22.5 आ गया. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि x कोऑर्डिनेट 5 है, इसका मतलब ये फिफ्थ रो में है, एग्जैक्टली फिफ्थ रो आ रही है. तो शी रन्स अलोंग द फिफ्थ रो, ठीक है, फिफ्थ रो में रन करेगी, कॉमा y कोऑर्डिनेट कितना हो जाएगा 22.5. सो 20 है तो 22.5, ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट, फाइंड द प्लेस ऑफ रश्मि. तो यू विल राइट शी विल रन along fifth row till distance 22.5 meter. Okay, so this is the place for Rashmi, ठीक है. So this question was very easy. You were asked 100 flower pots are placed here, and distance between each row, each line which is drawn by the chalk is 1 meter, and distance between the flower pots is also 1 meter. So very first, Niharika runs in the second row, 1/4 of a distance of AD. AD का 1/4 करती है, तो AD कितना हो गया 100 मीटर, बिकॉज 100 फ्लावर पॉट है. 100 मीटर 1/4 कितना हो जाएगा 25, तो 2,25 इसके कोऑर्डिनेट. सेम वे ये 1/5 करता है तो 20 हो जाएगा. 8th रो में रन करती है तो 8,20. सेम वे, तो इनकी बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालनी है, यू यूज द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. ओके, सेम सेकंड थिंग, रश्मि की प्लेस निकालनी है, तो मिड पॉइंट पर है, सो x1 प्लस x2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस y1 प्लस y2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके, so this was your third question. So quickly we can start the fourth question now. Now the fourth question is given. Find the ratio in which the line segment join the point -3, -10. So -3, 10 and 6, -8. Okay. So find the ratio. इसका ratio निकालना है. I told you in beginning also, whenever the ratio is found, we always ask let the point P divides the line segment in K ratio 1. So find the ratio in which the line segment joining -3, 10 and 6 is divided by -1,6. तो ये किसी -1,6 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो हमें इसके ratios we have to find. Let us say this point is A, this point is B, and this point is B. ठीक है, तो we have to find the ratio. Let point P divides the line segment in K ratio 1. ठीक है, so whenever the ratio is fine, always you find assume that it divides in K ratio 1. So now what is M1 therefore? M1 is K and M2 is 1. What is X1? Y1. X2? Y2. And these coordinate are X, Y. ठीक है, तो जो भी डिवाइड करता है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट हम X, Y मानते हैं, बाकी एंड पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So now therefore वही चीज X कोऑर्डिनेट. So what is X कोऑर्डिनेट? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. तो x coordinate, what is x coordinate given to you? -1. तो इसकी जगह -1 लिख दो. M1 is K, x2 is 6 plus M2 is 1, x1 is -3 divided by M1 plus M2 K plus 1. Okay, this cross multiply, इधर आ जाएगा तो माइनस के माइनस 1 हो जाएगा इज इक्वल्स टू 6k माइनस 3. सो सॉल्व इट. k को इधर भेज दो, 3 को इधर ले आओ, तो -1 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 6k प्लस k. तो विच शोज 7k इज इक्वल्स टू 2. सो विच शोज k इज इक्वल्स टू 2/7. तो k की वैल्यू तो हमारी 2/7 लिखेंगे. ठीक है. सो वी गॉट k इज इक्वल्स टू. तो देयरफॉर रेशियो इज, हमारा रेशियो क्या है, k रेशियो 1. k रेशियो 1 है. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ k, 2/7. और 1 डिनोमिनेटर में तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, तो इसमें 2/7. तो आंसर आ गया 2:7. तो ये किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगा, 2:7 में. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू. कुछ नहीं करना है, ओनली यू हैव टू कीप दिस फॉर्मूला. इसमें जो जो है रख दो, खुद ही k की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज योर 4th क्वेश्चन. So let us quickly start our 5th question. They are very easy. Okay. So let us start our 5th question. And the 5th question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining AB is divided by x-axis. तो is divided by x-axis लिखा है, तो this is x-axis. ठीक है. तो एक line segment बना लो. ठीक है. तो it is divided by x-axis. ठीक. So फाइंड द रेशियो. फिर रेशियो निकालना है, तो हम कहेंगे लेट द रेशियो इज k रेशियो 1. और ये x एक्सिस में p पॉइंट से डिवाइड हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑब्वियस कि हमेशा जो रेशियो निकालना है तो हमने कहा दैट इज k रेशियो 1 और x एक्सिस पर कट कर रहा है डिवाइडेड बाय x एक्सिस, तो x एक्सिस पॉइंट हो जाएगा p. ठीक है. सो फाइंड द रेशियो इन विच द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग a एंड b पॉइंट. सो a पॉइंट, b पॉइंट. What is the coordinate of A? 1, -5, 1, -5. Don't think that in which coordinate it will come. Just only write it. ठीक है? It doesn't matter where, but you have to write in order only. Okay? So -4, 5. B is -4, 5. So find the ratio. Let the ratio is k ratio 1, in which the line joining A, B is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinate of point of division. तो ये point of division के coordinate भी निकालने हैं. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले तो हमें रेशियो निकालना है. ठीक है. तो रेशियो वी हैव टू फाइंड. तो रेशियो तो हम कहेंगे, तो अब ये p कोऑर्डिनेट पे x एक्सिस पे डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट आर द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस. तो x एक्सिस पे मान लो कि x कोऑर्डिनेट है, तो y कोऑर्डिनेट इसका y नहीं होगा, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0 बिकॉज इट इज इन x एक्सिस. तो x एक्सिस दिस पॉइंट y इज इक्वल टू 0. So always whenever it will given in x axis or y axis, अगर y axis पर कट कर रहा होता तो 0, y कोऑर्डिनेट होते. ठीक है. So now let the point P divides the line in k ratio 1. So therefore by section formula, what is x? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? K. What is x? x ही है. x2 k, x2 is this one. ठीक है. -4 plus m2 1 into x1 कितना हो जाएगा 1 divided by m1 plus m2 k plus 1. इसको शिफ्ट करो. सो ये हो जाएगा kx प्लस 1 इंटू x इज इक्वल्स टू -4k प्लस 1. ठीक है. तो हम इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 कह देते हैं. वी गॉट दिस. ठीक है. अब हम क्या करते हैं, y कोऑर्डिनेट निकालते हैं. y कोऑर्डिनेट इज इक्वल्स टू m1y2 प्लस m2y1 डिवाइडेड बाय m1 प्लस m2. व्हाट इज y? 0. ठीक है. तो 0 इज इक्वल्स टू m1 k y2 5 plus m2 1 into y1 -5 divided by m1 plus m2 k plus 1. तो which shows, अगर k plus 1 को यहाँ भेजेंगे तो multiplied by 0 0 हो जाएगा. तो आपके पास क्या बचा, 5k minus 5 is equals to 0. So 5k is equals to 5. So which means k is equals to 1. तो k आ गया 1. तो k 1 आ गया, तो हम इसका रेशियो निकाल लेते हैं. So therefore ratio is क्या था, k रेशियो 1 एज्यूम करा था, k की जगह क्या रख दो 1. तो 1/1 इसका मतलब 1:1. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट तो आ गया हमारा k is 1:1. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द सेकंड पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट क्या है, वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस कोऑर्डिनेट. ठीक है. सो लेट अस फाइंड. तो इसको इसमें कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, जो k की वैल्यू है उसे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में रख दो तो x की वैल्यू भी आ जाएगी, तो वी विल इजीली गेट आवर कोऑर्डिनेट. ठीक है, सो लेट अस पुट आवर वैल्यूज. We got k is equals to 1. So k is equals to 1. So substituting the value of k in equation number 1. So k की बच्चे के 1 रख दो तो x plus x is equals to minus 4 into 1 plus 1. So 2x is equals to minus 3. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. So therefore our x coordinate is minus 3 upon 2 comma 0. So therefore the coordinates of our p is minus 3 upon 2 comma 0. Okay. So now quickly let us start our sixth question. This was very easy. So let us start our sixth question now. So our sixth question is 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. So let us draw a parallelogram. So what they are saying, taken in order. So A, B, C, D. टेकन इन ऑर्डर मीन्स तो हम क्या करेंगे 1, 2 ऑर्डर में लेंगे. मीन्स ए के बाद बी, बी के बाद सी, सी के बाद डी. ओके, 4 y, x 6 and 3 5. So these are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find the x and y. तो हमें x और y की वैल्यू निकालनी है. ठीक है, so very easy. तो what you will do here, we will say that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ठीक है, तो very first we'll know, we will write as diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. अगर एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC एंड O इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ DB. अगर बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो मिड पॉइंट ही होगा. So therefore O is the midpoint of AC and BD. So therefore midpoint के coordinate पता है, तो how we can find? अगर we are taking along AC, so what is the coordinate of O? So x is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay. And y is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So write what is x1 here. x1 is 1 plus x2 is x divided by 2. Same way here we can write y1 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So that means x plus 1 divided by 2, 8 upon 2, 4. So here I can get the value of x plus 1 comma 4. So these coordinate along AC. So along BD if I find, so what should I get the coordinate? See, along BD. So what is x coordinate? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, 4 plus 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 3 divided by 2, 7 upon 2. And same way y coordinate, y plus 5 divided by 2, y plus 5 divided by 2. So these are, if I am finding along this, so I am getting 7 upon 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. So you can see if I am just finding the coordinate along this, O point coordinate is x plus 1 and 4. Same way O point coordinates along this is 7 upon 2 comma this. So as you know O point is only 1. Okay, so x coordinate will be same. So इसका मतलब x plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 2 होगा. And y coordinate will be same. So y plus 5 upon 2 will be equals to 4. So let us equate them. ठीक है, so we'll get the value of. So let us equate them. So what we'll get? X coordinate x plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 7 upon 2. 2 to 2 cancel. So x plus 1 is equals to 7, which shows x is equals to 6. Same way y coordinate we will equate. So y plus 5 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Cross multiply. So y plus 5 is equals to 8. So y is equals to 3. So therefore we got the value of x is equals to 3 and y is equals to, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. So this was our 6th question. Okay. So let us start our 7th question now. Let us see. So now our 7th question is, find the coordinate of a point O where AB is a diameter of a circle. So let us draw a circle very first. Okay, so there is a diameter of a circle. They are saying AB is a diameter of a circle. ठीक है, find the coordinate of A. We have to find the coordinate of this point. ठीक है, let the coordinate be x y. Where AB is a diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3. Center is 2, -3. ये center O है. ठीक है, and B is 1, 4. B is 1, 4. So we have to find the coordinate of this. ठीक है, so as you know this is a circle, so the radius will be A. So therefore the radius, this is dividing the same ratio, 1:1. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि रेडियस है दोनों both are equal in distance, so let us say these are divided in 1:1. ठीक है, so we got let AB is divided in 1:1 as radius of a circle. ठीक है, is equal या are equal. Okay, radius of a circle are equal. So now same formula, section formula, using section formula. अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या है, ये पॉइंट डिवाइड कर रहा है तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट x1 xy हो गए, तो ये x1 y1 हो गए, ये x2 y2 हो गए. ऐसे ही तो होता है. ठीक है, जो डिवाइड करता है उसको हम x1 मानते हैं, तो इसके x1 y1 we will assume. So therefore what is x? x क्या होता है, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is x here? 2 is equals to m1 1 into x2. x2 is again 1, so 1 into 1 plus m2 1 into x1 ही मानो divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 1 2. So 2 को इधर भेज दो, this will be 4 is equals to 1 plus x1 which shows x1 is equals to 3. तो x1 आ गया 3 हमारा. ठीक है, अब सेम वे y वाला सेक्शन का y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is y here? -3. So -3 is equals to m1 1 into y2. y2 is 4 plus m2 again 1 into y1. y1 equals it divided by m1 plus m2. 1 plus 1 2. So send 2 here, -6. -6 is equals to 4 plus y1. So y1 is equals to -6 minus 4. So y1 is equals to -10. So what will be the coordinate? 3, -10. So therefore coordinate of A are 3, -10. Okay, this was our 7th question. So let us start our 8th question. So now our 8th question is if A, B are 2, -2 and 2, -4. So we have our 2 points. So 2 points, what are the 2 points A and B? So A and B. So what they are saying, 2 -2, -2 and B is 2, -4. 2, -4. Okay, so what they are saying, if A, B are 2, -2 and -2, -4 respectively, find the coordinate of P. Find the coordinate of P such that AP is equals to, what is given to you? AP equals to 3/7 of AB. 3/7 of AB. So this distance is given to you, 3/7 of AB. And P lies on the line segment AB. और दिया है P की AB line segment पे lie करता है. तो what you have to find the coordinate of P. Okay. So we have to find the coordinate of P. So how you can find? C. In this little different thing is given. The ratio is given to you. So we have to find the ratio in C. So how you can find C? This pole is AB. AB में से ये 3/7 of AB है, तो बाकी ये कितना बचा PB? AB में से इतना माइनस कर दोगे, AB में से अगर इतना माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे इतना आ जाएगा. ठीक है, so let us find that PB. So given that AP is equals to 3/7 of AB, सो देयरफॉर हमारा पास पी बी निकाल सकते हैं. पी बी कैसे निकालेंगे? ए बी में से ए बी माइनस कर देंगे, यही तो निकालेंगे. सो व्हाट मीन्स ए बी माइनस ए पी कितना है? 3/7 ऑफ ए बी. तो इसको 7/7 कर लेती हूँ. 4/7 ए बी. तो ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास 4/7 ऑफ ए बी. तो ये वाला रेशियो 4/7. तो इन दोनों का रेशियो निकाल लेते हैं. देयरफॉर ए पी अपॉन पी बी इज इक्वल्स टू 4/7 ए बी और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में डिवाइडेड बाय 3/7. दिस इज 3/7 एंड दिस इज 4/7 ए बी. ठीक है, ये डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. 7 to 7 कैंसिल, ए बी से ए बी कैंसिल, दैट मीन्स 3/4. तो हमारा ये रेशियो आ जाएगा 3/4. AP ratio this. So like this you have to find. This is the extra thing in this. Otherwise all are same. Okay. What you have to find? AP is given 3/7 of AB. तो हम क्या निकाल लेते हैं? PB भी निकाल लेते हैं क्योंकि हमें दोनों रेशियो चाहिए. PB कैसे निकालेंगे? AB में से AB माइनस कर देंगे. तो कितना आया? 4/7 AB. तो हमारे दोनों रेशियो में आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, अपॉन में आ रहे हैं. तो हम क्या करते हैं? इसका रेशियो निकाल लेते हैं. तो इसका आंसर AP अपॉन PB. AP की जगह 3/7 AB रखो डिवाइडेड बाय PB की जगह 4/7 AB रखो. तो यू विल गेट 3/4. ठीक है, तो हमारा रेशियो निकल गया. ठीक है. सो नाउ इजीली यू विल फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P नाउ. अब P के कोऑर्डिनेट कितने हैं? XY. तो X कोऑर्डिनेट इज m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 डिवाइडेड बाय m1 प्लस m2. So what is m1? 3, x2 is 2 plus m2 is 4, x1 is -2 divided by m1 plus m2. 3 plus 4 7 हो गया. 6 minus 8 divided by 7 -2/7. तो ये वाला तो हो गया -2/7. y कोऑर्डिनेट में निकाल लो. तो you can write the formula yourself. I'm not writing the formula right now. m1 3 into y2. y2 is -4 plus m2 4 into y1 -2 upon m1 plus m2. 3 plus 4 7 हो गया ना. So -4 3 is 12 -8 divided by 7 -20/7. So we got both the coordinate -2,7 and -20,7. So at the last you will write, therefore the coordinate of point P will be -2,0/7 and -20/7. Okay, so this was your question number 8. So let us start now question number 9. So these questions are very easy, based on formula only, you can easily see. Okay, so let us 9th question. So the 9th question is, find the coordinate of point P which divides the line joining this and this into 4 equal parts. तो हमें 4 equal part करने हैं. ठीक है, लाइन के. So let us take a line segment. Look, this is their line segment AB. अब इसके 4 equal part कर दो. तो बीच में 3 points draw करने पड़ेंगे. 1 2 3. तो 4 equal parts हो गए. ठीक है. So now what we are saying, find the coordinate of a point which divide the line segment A -2,2 and B 2,8 into 4 equal parts. अब इसे 4 equal parts में डिवाइड करना है. तो we have to find the coordinate of each point. ठीक है, P Q R. तो सबसे पहले हम P कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं. सेम वे इसका रेशियो निकाल लो. तो ये 1 रेशियो हो गया. बाकी कितना बचा? 1 2 3. 3 पार्ट्स बचे तो 1/3 हो गया. So same way I'll write for point P, m1 is equals to 1 and m2 is equals to 3. x1 ये xy1 x2 y2. End point x1 y1 x2 y2. Using section formula, you will write using section formula. Then you will write the general formula. Right now I am just telling directly to you, but you have to write each and every step. Okay. So very first, x coordinate of point P. m1 x2. m1 x2 2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 3. So what is x coordinate? 2 minus 6 divided by 4. Okay, So minus 4 upon 4, therefore x is equals to minus 1. So same way you have to find the y coordinate also of point P. So this came minus 1. Okay. Y coordinate is m1 y2 into 8 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 6 is equals to upon 4. 14 upon 4. 2 to the 4, 2 7s are 14. 7 upon 2. So 7 upon 2. So this is the first coordinate. Okay. So now let us find the second coordinate. So for the second coordinates we will change this ratio. Okay. So let us find the for point Q. Okay, this we got for first. So let me write for point Q. So this will be little bit changed. For point Q. Q point के लिए first ratio 2 हो गया और ये बाकी भी 2 बचा तो 2 ratio 2. So m1 is 2, m2 is 2. So same way we will use the same formula. What is x coordinate here for Q? n1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 2. 8 to just 16 minus 4 upon 4 12 upon 4 3 आ गया तो x is equals to 3 तो इसका x coordinate 3 आ गया. Then y coordinate is equals to m1 2 into y2 8 here 1 second m1 x2 x2 is 2 2 to the 4 so this is 0. ठीक है. So first coordinate is 0. And then we can write m2 y1. y1 is 8 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 2 into 2 plus m1 plus m2 2 plus 2 4. So 16 plus 4 divided by 4 20 upon 4 4 5 is 20 0 comma 5. So we got the second coordinate is 0 comma 5. Okay. Then the third coordinate, third for point R. So same way we can change this for point R. Okay. So this will be changed. This will only we have to, and you have to write the general formula very first. Okay. Using section formula, you will write like this. Then for point R, what is m1? यहाँ से R point तक देखो ये 3 ratio हो गया. ठीक है. और फिर बाकी कितना बचा 1. So m1 is 3 and m2 is 1. This is clear to you, na? Because easily you can see these are 3 part, this is 1 part. So according to that we have to see. So what is x coordinate? m1 x2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. 6 minus 2 divided by 4. 4 upon 4 is equals to 1. And y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. 24 plus 2 divided by 4, 26 upon 4, 2 to the 4, 13 upon 2. So this coordinate for R we got 1 comma 13 upon 2. Okay. So we got 1 comma 13 upon 2 for point this. So these are our 3 coordinates. So what we are asked, if a line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts में divide होगा तो we have to put 3 point in between. So we have to find the coordinate of this. तो आपको क्या सिर्फ ध्यान में रखना है? The ratios. Otherwise all are equal. x1 y1 x2 y2. We have to put the values only. Okay. So this was your 9th question. Let us quickly start the 10th question, which is the last question of this exercise. So let us start. So now the 10th question is, we are given a rhombus and the 4 coordinates of a rhombus taken in order. Taken in order means आप ये 3,0 और के बाद 4,5 है तो 4.5 यहाँ नहीं ले सकते हो. तो A, B, C, D taken in order लगातार लेने हैं. ठीक है. So if you do wrong तो ये आंसर भी wrong आएगा. ठीक है. So you have to find the area of this rhombus. तो area क्या होता है rhombus का? तो area of rhombus is equals to, what is area of rhombus? You have studied half into product of diagonals, d1 into d2. This you have studied in 8th class also. Okay. 9th also. So area, तो you have to find the diagonal d1. तो इसका मतलब d1 की length निकालनी है. ठीक है. So therefore diagonal d1 is equals to AC is equals to what is the length using distance formula. ठीक है. तो what is x1 minus x2 का whole square minus y1 minus y2 whole square, या x2 minus x1 whole square, कुछ भी लिखो. So that means 3 minus minus 1, तो 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा का whole square plus y1 0 minus 4 whole square. So this become 4 4 जा 16, ये तो minus 4 हो गया, तो ये भी 16 हो गया. तो that means 2 root 16, तो ये हो गया 4 root 2. ओके, तो ये तो फर्स्ट डायगोनल हो गया. सेकंड डायगोनल BD, तो ये निकालो तो x1 y1 x2 y2. सो x1 minus x2 4 minus 2, तो ये प्लस 2 हो गया का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 5 minus 1, तो minus plus whole square. You do step by step, so you will get the same answer. Okay, so 6 6 are 36 plus 6 6 are 36, 2 36 6 root 2 आ गया. तो हमारे पास दो डायगोनल आ गया. So therefore area is equals to half into first diagonal 4 root 2 into second diagonal 6 root 2. 2 2s are 4. So root 2 into root 2 2. So 2 into 2 into 6. 6 to 12 are 24 square unit. Okay. So this is because unit is not given, so you write square unit. So this was your 10th question of exercise 7.2 and your exercise is completed. Hope you enjoyed the exercise because it is easy, only carefully you have to write the coordinate. Okay, so point out with your finger which coordinate you have to write, then you write, because so many times it happens, the mistakes happens in the place of x1 you are writing x2 or y2. Okay, these things happen, otherwise everything is okay. Okay, write carefully by putting your finger on it. So thank you very much. Hope you are enjoying the video. Bye bye.